Hello, welcome back to Rob's Kitchen. Music lesson, homeschool music lessons, number 11. Hello to Ravenswood, Cragside, Chilly Road Primary Schools, in Heaton and High Heaton, part of the Usburn Learning Trust. Hello to Hotspur, hello to all the other schools in the Usburn Learning Trust, and hello world. Today I thought we'd do some pen drumming. So this takes me back to my childhood, probably where I developed most of my musical skills was tapping on tables, annoying my parents, my family and teachers at school. And thanks to YouTube, pen drumming has now become an actual thing. So there's some great people to look up on YouTube to look into the world of pen drumming. So basically you've got two pens, you've got a table or a desk, and you've got three main sounds. So you've got your palm sound, you've got which is like kick drum, and then you've got your the tip of the pen. It's like a hi-hat, and then you've got your snare, which is the edge of the pen. And from that place we can start to create some little beats. So a little basic beat would be like, so we could say I'm going to use the letters P for palm, I'm going to use T for the tip, and then I want to use E for the edge. So it's like P T E T P T E T P T E T P T E T. Yeah, but really simple. So then you can start to put all of these sounds together, create different orders and have a bit of fun. So you've got like, let's say if we went P T T P P T T P E T T T. Which is great, and these are all linear patterns just using one hand, so you could bring in two hands. Just doing the odd little fill, or you could go a bit more advanced and just let it flow, using it for more ghost notes. So. And then the other thing is with the linear patterns, you could start to bring in. Now I've been trying to work this out. Some more polyrhythms. So if we could try and get a clave going on this hand, like so. So that sort of idea. So you can have a bit of fun. The other thing, brilliant to bring in. It's obviously the good old-fashioned ruler. So if there's two of you, you can have one person doing the pen drumming, the other person playing some nice bass lines with the ruler. You get the idea. So why don't we have some fun and layer up a few little grooves. So just to recap, you've got your three sounds, you've got your bass sound, P, pa, 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 pa. You've got your tips, t, 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 like your hi-hat, and you've got your snare. So learn the basics, and then go and compose. Just put the letters together, different orders, see what you can do, see what you can create. By all means, send me any videos you've got. Send them in to your teachers, and just have some fun. Be creative. Stay safe. Peace.